Okay, sorry they're a bit messy. These shoes are Barker shoes which I bought new, I don't know how long ago. We must be thinking 30 years maybe. Before I show you the issue, I'll show you the shoes. Messy though they are, they're just a very plain, really. Well, they've got that pebble. They need cleaning, as I say. Finish on there. Nothing fancy with the shape. Storm welted. You can see that around the edge there. That lip. Quite nicely done. Nice leather. They've got a model. Nope, so I don't know what they're called. I did know what they're called, and somebody else did because I recognised them. Would you believe it? But anyway, so that's the other one. Rather more the original colour. Very nicely done. All that's in good condition. So I'm thinking, but we see that's very close there. So, oh, right on the edge. Not particularly matters because I think they replace all this anyway. When you go back for, if you went to a heel bar, you don't want to wear into that because then they have to take the neck, particularly ones just around the corner. They probably haven't got the leather and all the rest of it. So just have that. So I thought I could go to the heel bar, but no, because you're going to see why. Again, day-night sole, which I thought was okay. No, I can feel there. And you can see stitching's gone. That doesn't really matter. But on this one, oops, as you can see. So, this one then, obviously, either take them to the heel bar and I don't know what they do, maybe they do that and stick something on, or send them back to Barker. I've been looking online. You can send them in and they'll give you an appraisal, and they'll do the same old thing, take it all apart, the same as Crockett & Jones, I assume. But £150. What am I to do? Don't really. Would take it to my heel. No, I don't think so. I can't really. No, you'd have to do that. I don't think you could stick something on there. So, and I don't think it's really his kind of thing. It's not his kind of thing. I can't find the people that Barker and Crockett & Jones send them to. I could take them myself. So Barker want me to. So it says online, you put them in a box, they send it back, they give you an appraisal, and they'll do it. And it'll be about £150. We'll see. I'm not in a rush. Anyway, thought I'd let you know about the various options for such things. So I've had them, I think I must have had them 30 years, so maybe 150. And the uppers are in good condition. I know they need a polish and a clean, but nothing's cracked, I don't think. Well, maybe what I'll do is send them back to them and say, what do they think? I think that one on that side is a crack on that side on the surface leather. Hasn't gone through. Tell you what I might do, and I'll let you know. I might take them to my man over the road and say, what do you think? Anyway, hope that's of some interest to some of you, and I'll see you next time.